In today's video, I'll be walking you guys through how I made this channel art and how you can make yours. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emmanuella. I post new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, sharing vlogs and all things YouTube related. So if you're interested in this, make sure to subscribe and we could get started. Okay, so the apps we're going to be using is phonto and PixArt. I'm going to share my screen with you guys now so you can follow up and understand what I'm doing. So guys, I'm going to walk you guys through how I got this channel art, this YouTube banner. So the first thing I want to do now is I want to get my iPhone PNG, this iPhone image you see there. So I want to get it, and to do this I'm going to go into Google Chrome and I'm going to search for iPhone PNG. So there's like lots of images to pick from, but mind you, most of these images are actually not real PNGs, so you have to like take your time to go through them, or you could just check in my description. I'm going to leave the link of the one I'm using right now. I'm going to leave it in my description, so you could just check there. And after you've gotten your iPhone image, you want to also get your Instagram profile. So to do this, I'm just going to go on Instagram. This part is totally optional. I just put it here because it made my banner look better. So I'm just going to screenshot it now, and this is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my picture and I'm going to cut out my background, because as you can see here, it doesn't have any background. I already took out all the background behind it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I cut the picture, how I cut the background out of the picture. So with this, I'm going to use PixArt. So now I'm on PixArt and I'm just going to go to photos and I'm going to scroll down to where I have the image, and this is the picture. So now I'm going to click on cut out and I'm going to click on person. So it has actually cut out me from the picture. So I'm just going to click on save. So this is what we have here. So now I'm going to click on next and I'm going to save the photo. I'm going to save it, and now I have this saved without. So now I have this saved without the background. So this is just what I have left. So now for the text and every other thing we have here. Okay, so the next thing now is I'm going to get the background that I'm using, this white background that you can see, and I'm also going to go to Google Chrome to get that. So I'm going to go back to Google Chrome and search for banner background, right? I'm just search for banner background. So when you're getting all these images, make sure it is not copyrighted, like it is copyright free. White banner background, and like you have lots of options to pick from, but I already have mine, so I'm just going to use that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up phonto and I'm going to click on plain images and color. I'm going to change the color to red, just so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to change this to 20481152 because this is the standard size, and I'm going to click on use. So now I'm going to import the background that I want to use, and I'm just going to size it up to this red stuff and just have it trimmed. Okay, so this is the trimmed version. This is the trim version. I'm going to take it out again. Yeah, so this is the standard size, and now I'm going to first of all write my name, Nwosu, and I'm going to place it here. Change the font, change the style, and make this 21. Because I want it really deep and really visible. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write YouTube advice and vlogs. YouTube advice and vlogs. What I want to do here is I want to change the font just so it looks different. So, but no, this one was thick, so should change the font to something heavy. And I'm going to reduce the size, and I'm going to style it and make the text black, because that's what I did before, and I'm trying to just recreate that one. Then I'm going to look for the YouTube logo. Again, I went into Google Chrome and I got my PNG. I got this PNG. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and reduce it, like really make it really small, because funny thing is when you actually place it in, just going to make it really small. Trying to place this correctly. Use this, just take it up a bit. Yeah, so yeah, this is what it looks like now. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write new video Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, new video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then I'm going to change the font to something light, because I want them to both or all stand out. And I'm going to reduce this again, just make it a bit smaller than this one, just so it looks cute. And yeah, so this is what we have. I think I should, like, maybe increase the size of this one a bit. So yeah, this is this. Now I'm going to go to style, and I'm going to style everything. Increase, reduce, take down, make this 35. Then I'm going to go also to this one, style, increase, reduce, make this also 35. So yeah, they are all thick. And I think I already styled this one. Alpha up, blow down, spacing -3, and this should be -35. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. It looks cute already. And since we're done with everything we're writing, we're just going to go into the pictures. So I'm just going to add my picture to it. And I'm going to reduce this, like really reduce this. See how it wears. Okay, so my clothes were like, okay, I think I should make it a bit bigger, just keep making it big. So I'm just going to place this here, and this is what it looks like now. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the iPhone PNG that I saved. Yeah, I think it is this one. I'm just going to add this PNG, and I'm going to tilt it just so it fits. Yeah, so this is perfect. And I'm going to take my screenshot also, and I'm also going to just make sure it fits. Tilt it to, what size was this one? -20. So this should also be -20. And then this size, what size is this? 65. So this should be way lower than 65, just so it fits. Then you just make sure you're placing it properly, like make sure you're placing it properly. yeah, so this is perfect. This is how it should look like. So by the time you're done, this is what you should have. Yeah, so let's compare with this first one. This is what this one looks like, and this is what this one looks like. It's actually obviously the same thing because I did everything I did before. And yeah, so adding your picture and the iPhone image and the Instagram page is totally optional, but I just suggest that you actually do it because it gives everything a cute look. You could also mess around with your edit and figure out what you like to do. So yeah, I'm going to save this. And yeah, next what you have to do is just go on to Google Chrome and add this to your YouTube banner slot. Just make sure you upload this image and you have what you have. If you want a video about how to upload this, make sure you comment it down and I'll drop another tutorial on how to upload your YouTube banner. So that is it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, comment down what video you want to see next. I love you all. Bye.